Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to install and set up the NETGEAR Nighthawk BE19000 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 router step by step. If you just bought this powerful Wi-Fi 7 router and want to get the fastest speeds and best coverage in your home or office, this video will guide you through the complete setup process, from unboxing to connecting your devices. Let's get started. Unbox your router. Ensure you have all the components: the router, an Ethernet cable, and the power adapter. Connect the hardware. Connect to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN internet port to your modem. Power up. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Wait for the router to boot up. The power LED should be solid white. Connect to your device. You can connect to the router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. The default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password are usually printed on a label on the router. Access the router interface. Open a web browser and enter http://www.routerlogin.net or http://192.168.1.1 to access the router's web interface. Log in using the default credentials, usually admin for the username and password for the password, unless changed. Run the Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Setup Wizard to configure your internet connection. This may include selecting your internet service provider, ISP, and entering your ISP login credentials if required. Download the Nighthawk app for easier management. Download the Nighthawk app from the App Store or Google Play. The app provides additional features like parental controls, speed tests, and remote management. Follow the app's instructions to set up your router. After completing all the setup steps and confirming that your devices have a stable internet connection, your NETGEAR Nighthawk BE19000 router is fully configured. The router is now ready for everyday use, allowing you to enjoy fast, reliable, and secure internet connectivity across all connected devices in your home or office network. If you are unable to install your NETGEAR Nighthawk BE19000 Tri-Band router or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.